If you open xender and it takes you straight to settings, then you need to do the following steps. Go and uninstall the old package first. Uninstall the old package first. Then go and re-download xender. And after re-downloading, for example for me I use APK Pure, so it will go straight to my files. I'll go to application installation files, then I'll go to download and install, and after a few seconds the application will be installed. Just go and click on done. Don't click open, click on done. Then go and open settings. Go and open settings. Go ahead and open settings. Then go to applications or apps. Go to application or apps. Then search for the xender application. Then go to permission and allow all permissions, all required permissions. Go and allow all required permissions. Then turn off these settings that says remove permission if the app isn't used. Turn off that permission. Then go and open the xender application normally. Go and open the xender application normally. Here's the xender application. Then click on agree to the terms of service. Click on agree to the terms of service. Then swipe left again, and then click on start. Just click on start, and then boom, you're set. You're free to use the xender application. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll upload the next video on how to unlock KG lock on Samsung Galaxy A22. Stay tuned and please subscribe.